Hi guys, what's going on? Joe from Automods. Earlier today I shot a video of myself changing my intercooler to an upgraded larger one. The first one that I ordered was a bit too large and it stuck out quite a bit from the bottom, so I changed it to a slightly smaller one that would fit nicely. It's still a lot larger than the standard one, so I hope you enjoy the video. It has been edited. There is a blooper at the end which I think you'll enjoy, so if you want to fast forward to just the blooper, please do so. And obviously if you like the video, click on the like button, and I hope some of you will subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more mods to my car, and I'll be testing them as well to make sure that I'm getting better performance. So I look forward to seeing you at the end, and I hope you enjoy the video. There we go. That's it. So it's sticking out a bit underneath. That's in. A bit more. It's hanging out a bit, isn't it? Just spotted something. A nice hole in my intercooler. It's lovely. Oh man, that's disgusting. That's at the bottom of the radiator, I think. Yeah, radiator. I wish I had a jet wash now. Jet wash this motherfucker. Dirty bastard. This fucking wanker. Oh shit. Have you seen this shit on this? Fucking shit, man. Fuck me. See that? See that? That's what you call weight reduction. Right, trim this. Let's get the right length. Go on the stove. I hope I got it right. Let's see. The best instrument. Use clip as a guideline. Go against. Hopefully give me a better cut. Do that. And that's fucked up a little bit there. That's fucked up. That's not good. That was absolute shit cut, that was. Salvage something out of this now. Handymanship, it's not brilliant. It's pretty rough. I'm rushing. Get this fucker on here. So, just trim it a little bit, make it neat it up a little bit. Nothing worse than a shit bodge job. bit better. So we have this one on that side, and we have that one on that side. So put this one in here. This one not enough to reach it. That's a bit small actually. That's a bit fucked. Got that one up, haven't I? Sort out there, a bit small, try to go a bit bigger this time. About a cup, still good shit. There it goes. (22nd of 12th, 2020). That's when supposedly it was made. I'll leave that one. A nice little memento for something. Joiner. Clip. Oops. Nice. That's it. On there. Was it 10 mil, wasn't it? Where did I put my budget? It's 10 mil. That's it. It's done. This one. Right, the reason why I'm putting them all this way is because if they ever come loose and I need to tighten them, I can just get easy access to them. It's up to you how you want to put them. That's the way I figure the way I do it. Just this one's going to be a bit tight going on there, I think. Make sure it's on. It's a bit small, this connection on this side. Lift it up a little bit. See, lift it up a little bit. It's okay. Just have to make sure it gets orientated properly. Sure. Let's get the other one. Ingress. Stays on this. Stays on this side. Back there. Right then, it's on. Just a lot tidying up to do now. Keep these old rings in case I want to put the old one back on. The old intercooler back on, so I'll need those. These clamps were a bit too small to go around the original piping to connect the new pipes onto the old original piping, so you'll probably need a bigger than 58mm to 65. I'd probably say you probably need at least about 2mm more to get them on. So I reckon safety wise, say 62mm minimum. The other thing, my mistake was the elbow pipe needs to be longer. It needs to be at least from the bend, it needs at least 20 centimeters longer, so 20 centimeters in going backwards. So that's what you also need. Obviously I've gone a long way around and I've ordered more clamps and stuff, and after I've realised that, and a joiner, when I realised that my elbows are too short. I'd already trimmed my elbows, so I couldn't really send them back, so I didn't really want to spend more money on getting elbows and then so forth. So anyway, it's on now. I've secured it with tie-ups. They're quite strong tie-ups. They're not going to go anywhere. I think each tie-up can take up to 20 kg. So there's 20 kg there, 20 kg strength there. It's 40 kg. The actual intercooler itself only weighs around about less than 5 kg, about 3 kg max. So again, it isn't going to go anywhere. But if you want to really secure it, I guess you could secure it by putting brackets, making brackets for it and going across. But I looked at that option and I just thought, you know what, I'll just zip tie it. I'm afraid it might be a bit of a bodge, but it will work. It will work. I mean, I've zip tied the one on this car as well, and it's been 2 years. I haven't had any issues. It's still tight as anything. I guess the trouble with plastics is when they grow older, they get a bit more brittle and they might snap off. But fresh plastics, so they should last for about 2-3 years. I'll probably swap them over after that. Anyway, but But anyway, it's on. If you want to have a look, it's on. It's there, so you can see it. And then if you want to have a look underneath, you can have a look underneath. There you go. It's like that. Like I said, you need longer ones, longer elbows. These are elbows. You need longer. But I've gone that way around. Obviously, I've got to watch out for boost leaks now, because of all the clips and everything like that. But there's one more clip that got to get there as well. I'm just going to get a normal 60mm plus, just a metal clip tie up. Just put that on and that'll be fine. But anyway, be seeing you and catch you next time. Take it easy. Safe motoring. Fucking bastard. In the fucking head.